You know how to do it, right?
Yeah. It's already on record,
It's
right?
on, yeah.
Okay. So adorable.
Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Her paws, she's so short.
How long have you been doing this?
About 6 months.
Really?
6 months, yeah.
Because I've been doing.
Don't follow me. Oh, hold on to her. I don't want.
Come on, baby. Come on, Ivana. Oh, yeah, you're going to have a good old time. You really are going to have a good old time, sweetheart. Okay. Oh, good. She's got a collar on.
Yeah, we put a collar on.
The extra collars.
What a good
Oh,
dog.
God. And she's only, what, 2, 3 years old?
Yeah, I don't know.
What sweetheart? She's probably hungry.
Yeah, I would think so. I did give her water though.
Yeah, I have some rice and some kibbles for her.
Here, can you take some video of me with the dog?